Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how you can track live flight status using the Flight Radar24 app, one of the best tools to see real-time flights all around the world. First, open the Flight Radar24 app on your device. Once it opens, you'll see a live map filled with airports, countries, and many airplanes flying in real time. Each small airplane icon represents a flight currently in the air. Now, to check a specific flight, just tap on any airplane on the map. Once you tap, it will open that flight's details, including the airline name, aircraft model, and route. For example, you might see a flight going from Multan to Jeddah or any other destination. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice several options. One of them is Follow. Tap on Follow, and it will start tracking that flight automatically on your screen. Sometimes, an ad might appear when you tap Follow. Simply tap Cancel to close the ad. After that, tap Follow again, and you'll see that the feature is now working properly. You can also tap on the route option to view the full flight path, showing where the plane took off, its current location, and where it's heading. This feature is especially helpful if you want to track family members traveling, monitor international flights, or if you're just curious about global air traffic. And that's it. That's how you can easily track live flight status, routes, and updates using the Flight Radar24 app in 2024. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.